Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Namecheap for domain management, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Namecheap website at www.namecheap.com. On the home page, click on the sign up button located at the top right corner. Fill in the required fields in the registration form. Enter your first and last name in the designated name fields. Provide a valid email address that you have access to. Create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Type the password again to confirm it. Optionally, you can sign up for promotional emails by checking the box. Once all fields are completed, click on the Create Account button. You will receive a verification email to the email address provided. Open your email inbox and find the verification email from Namecheap. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your account. After verification, return to the Namecheap homepage. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your email address and password to log in to your new account. Once logged in, navigate to the Domain section. You can now manage domains by purchasing, transferring, or configuring existing ones. Explore additional features like DNS settings or email hosting as needed. Your account is now ready for effective domain management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.